So, how are you going to leverage AI? Everybody's talking about it, everybody's doing it, and if you don't, you're going to be left behind. Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Kirch of Profit Minds, and our Profit Minds growth system leverages AI across the board, whether it's profit growth, productivity, or business scaling. And today I want to talk to you about our AI transformation method program. And what do we cover? People ask us that all the time. Well, it's a belted system, so we move from white belt to black belt. And we cover from the very basics of how do you use generative AI? And we're platform agnostic. So you can use ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude or Copilot, whatever you like. But we start with the basics. How do you interact with AI? And then for the yellow belt, how do you make AI your prompt engineer? And then how do you use it as a cognitive super assistant? What's it like to tap into the greatest minds in the world? How do you automate repetitive tasks? How do you use it as a specialist? Or what's your role evolution going to be as AI improves? How's that going to impact the way you do your job? And then building agents, agent-like behavior within AI. And agents are coming soon to AI. And then finally, in the black belt, we ask you to build automations. And every week, your homework is to use AI in your work. And not only that, we guarantee a positive ROI. If you want to learn more, the link's below. Thanks, and have a grateful day.